Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we're going to be making aloe vera oil, and I started this video not knowing I'll need this clip, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my aloe vera oil, and it helps a lot to restore hair, to moisturize your hair, to help with the dandruff and all other stuff that hair needs. Right now I'm really looking forward to attaining voluminous hair, so enjoy. So wash the leaves, wash the aloe vera leaves. So I'm going to cut these aloe vera in small pieces. This side so you can see. So for this type of aloe vera is not very thorny, so I did not remove the thorns on the sides of the aloe vera. Things we do for this hair, guys. You can opt to remove the green part or not. It's still healthy. I'm going to put in a farmiliar. These are the pieces I'm using. I know zinakaa ndogo, but now I don't have a lot of aloe vera in my garden, so tutatafuta tu ingine siku ingine, but for now this will do. Oh my god, my olive oil is almost done. Coconut oil. These are the only ingredients I'm using, so I'm going to put a reasonable amount of these in this aloe vera, just a reasonable amount. I think I need to go for the, actually I put it all. I also don't have coconut oil, but this will be enough for today. And plus I have a jar, so minimum heat. I'm going to put this heat on minimum. So this is how it looks. So we're going to cover it up for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and see how it 3 minutes later. No yet there. Bad dough. No yet there, we're not. So we're going to wait for 2 more minutes. Like these have to turn brownish, all of them. So now we're ready. I want to see that smoke. Ooh, tuko sawa sambamba. So I'm going to turn off the heat, let this cool. Like it is super hot. Oh, this is oil, so we have to wait for it to cool down. So our oil is ready, and we are going to strain it using this stocking thingy. You can use anything to strain it, but I use this to strain, so I put it like that, then I put the oil in here. As little as it may seem, this is my oil that I'm going to use here. So I'm going to use it on my hair. Just have it in there. So guys, I'm done putting the oil in the hair. So you can see it's all moisturized and shiny. Maybe to see cute, but yeah, my hair is moisturized. So I'm moisturized inside here, and this is what I used, like this pipette. What pipette? Those were the names we used to call them in chemistry. Pipette, I think. So I used it to put in here, inside here, to avoid dandruff and moisturizing my hair, and I wanna attain really voluminous hair. So, and we still have oil remaining, so I'ma keep this for next time. So thank you for hanging out with me, and for the new subscribers, feel at home, feel free, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and let's keep supporting each other, spread love and kindness to everyone. I'ma leave you at this, and see you on my next video. Bye.